Ganito yun ha. Ano pag foul? First two. Pag penalty. Oh! Hoy, listen sa rules.
Okay sir, magandang hapon. Yung team fouls po natin, pag umabot ng 7, may free throw. Team fouls, okay? Isa lang yun, may jumper. Pag umabot ng 9 team fouls, 2 free throws, may jumper. Pag umabot ng 10 team fouls pataas, 2 free throws, ball possession. Okay sir? Tapos lahat sir, tapos steal, airball, basta yung gano'n, laging rebound, ilalabas dito sa 3-point line. Bago itira ko yan. Kapag tinira na nasa loob at hindi nilabas, violation, turnover. 10 minutes tayo, 10 minutes. Race to 21.
G!
Oo. Kung anong mauna.
Tapos sir, ang natin walang jump ball to sir ha, toss coin. Yung mananalo sa toss coin, mamimili. First possession or overtime possession.
Pag overtime, teka lang linaw.
Pag overtime sir, first to 2. First to make 2.
First to make ko lang.
First to make 2 points.
Technical foul.
Wala na siguro.
Yan! Ang password niya, Emma. Oh. Okay. Mamaya, kami naman mag-committee.
Oo, kayo nga. Pahinga
Ano?
kayo.
Ano? Rep, nagmerienda ka na.
Ganda muna.
Lugi tayo ah. Sige, lahat yan lugi. Ayun na si Kobe na buhay. Hit na lang. Okay na.
O, game.
Sino first game sir?
Kami.
Alalay ah. Game.
Game. 10 minutes.
Na ako.
First 21.
Sir, ano yun ha? Running time. Ang papatayin lang siya time out.
Okay, running time.
Pag free throw, 10 minutes.
Time out and free throw.
Okay.
Ilang time out?
Dalawa. Okay.
Pag sub dead ball.
Hindi, pag nagsab natin, dead ball lang tapos.
G!
2 points yung sa art. Wala na start.
Ano na lang tayo, pipili na lang kung sino yung star player. Star player, Mountain Dew ha. MVP, Mountain Dew. Cold drinks. Sino kulang sa kabilang team?
Correct.
Asa na yun? Boy Tattoo for 3!
Heng, 10 minutes. Sige ako na magta-time. Wala, tayo mag-aarap.
Adam gets the ball. Adam for 3!
Wala, bago daw internet eh. Hindi sa'yo mapag ng phone up eh.
Piso!
Toss coin.
Susuntok sa kaliwa.
Kahit announcer si Jomar, kinakabahan din.
Dito ha, matindi na.
Live ball yan ha, live ball ha. Walang labas-labas yan.
First 3.
Timer.
De La Cruz.
Uy, oras na lang nyo ha.
Pare, oras pare, focus kayo ha.
Timpong. De La Cruz.
Sir, shot clock natin 12.
Okay, shot clock by 12.
May seconds ba?
Meron.
Dito?
Shading area.
Oh, tangina yun.
Good na yan, sir.
Good. Pinasa. Irandel per shot. Good. De La Cruz shot.
Tapos may dos din.
Yes, yes, yes.
Rod, dahan-dahan lang.
De La Cruz ball. Randel. Randel. Give to Dural. 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 Randel shot. Goal. Bon. Nadala ng bola. Tinira.
All.
Randel. Rebound. Randel. Randel. Umikat. Randel. Shot. Goal. 3-0. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Don Kulot shot. Randel shot. White ball, De La Cruz ball, De La Cruz. Lahat ilalabas. Don Kulot shot. No good. Rebound by Bon. Bon. Give to De La Cruz. De La Cruz shot. Black ball. Randel. Pass to Dural shot. Goal. Oh, Bon. Shot.
4-0.
Dural shot. Goal.
Ay, pwede mag-time out, ha?
White ball. Bon dribbling the ball. Pass to Coach Nol shot. Boom! 5-1 score in favor of Dural team. 6-1. Dural gets the ball. Dural pass to Randel. Randel sinalaksak. Dural gets the ball. Tinira. Rebound by Coach. Tinira, binigay ni kay Bon.
Nice.
Rebound by Pong. Nice one. 6-2. Time out. White team.
Ikaw?
Substitution.
Pasok! Uy, pasok! Ayun na, tanga!
Noel.
The Living Legend!
Nayup eh.
White ball. Substitution. 7 minutes and 1 second. White ball. Black ball. Good. Foul by Bon.
Minute. Ang alis naman.
6 minutes and 48 seconds. Six two. Randel shot. Rebound by Bon. Pass to Noel. Sinabihan mo na yan. Sa likod. Magbababa lang yan.
Gege.
Bukas po ang gate. Salamat po.
May nag-birthday.
Black ball. Randel, pass to Dural. Dural shot. Rebound by Coach. Noel. Touchdown. Pass to Bon. Bon. Shot. Good. 6-3. 6-3 score. 6-3. 6-3 in favor of Dural team. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Remaining time. Noel dribbling the ball. Pass to Kotsnol. Kotsnol. Pass to Bon. Bon shot. Rebound by Dural. Dural shot. Noel. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. 2 points. 6-5. Ang score, 6-5. In favor of Dural team. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Kotsol dribbling the ball. Kotsol shot. Dural dribbling the ball. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Score is 6-5 in favor of Dural team. Noel driving the ball. Noel shot. Randel. Still by Bon. Shot Bon. Dural. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Randel gets the ball. Randel shot. No good. Kotsnol. Pass to Bon. Bon shot. Good. 6-all. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. 6-all. Noel shot. Good. De La Cruz team. 7-6. 18. Ano? Counted hindi? Not counted. Oh. Lamang na po sila De La Cruz team. 7-6. 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Time out. Black team.
Kala mo kondisyon ka.
7-6. 3 minutes.
Hindi na kami Samantalang una nila pong zero agad.
Hindi sa pag-game na yun.
Nakaramdaman niyo.
Parang nangyayari, parang dahil itong mga ito.
Ball. Back to the ball game. Oras. 3 minutes and 27 seconds. In favor of De La Cruz team. Randel shot. Good. 2 points. 8-7. 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Shot. Oras. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Rebound by Bon. Bon, inaabot ng babasahan. Bon shot.
Dive!
De La Cruz ball. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 8-7. Lamang port ang Dural team, ang black team. Dural shot, no good. Rebound by Bon. Bon shot.
Nice one!
Bon.
Venga!
Rebound by Dural. Nadala ng bola, naghahanap ng papasahan. Randel shot, no good. Rebound by Kotsnol, sumidiskarte. Kotsnol, dinarive. Kotsnol shot, 8-all. Oras. 2 minutes and 8 seconds.
Kabila! Wala pa.
Shot. Boom. Score. 9-8. 9-8 score. Dural team. Oras. 2 minutes. Veracruz. 9-8 ang score in favor of Black Team.
Bola!
Kulot.
Cutter!
Steal.
Tulong!
Shot. Good. 10-8 in favor of Dural Team. Oras. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 10-8 po ang score. 10-8 po ang score. Dural Team. Dural shot. Good. 11-8. Time out. YT. Oras. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Lamang po ang Dural Team. 11 and 8 ang score. Dural Team. 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Kaya ba? Tatlo lang.
1 minute and 17 seconds. Hindi sa timeout pa.
Pasok mga dancer!
Yun! Pa!
Pasok tong.
Si Angelo kailan shooter.
Kulang kayo isa.
Bon, pasok. Paano?
Tira mo na.
White team, back to the ball game. Shot, 2 shots. Foul. Black, free throw. Oras, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Oras, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Dural team, nagdadala ng bola. Dural shot. Rebound ni Coach Noel. Bola. White team. 11-8 in favor of Dural team. Tatlo po ang alamangan. Labas.
Ingat. Bantuman, no?
Noel, nagdadala ng bola. Noel, pinasa kay Kulot. Shot!
Tira.
Randel, oras, 38 seconds, 37 seconds, 36 seconds, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 28, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 12, 8, 15 seconds, 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2 points, pasok! Dural team!
Let's game.
Dalawa lang, 12-10. 12-10 ang score.
Namang baldog ang tira.
Next game, Team Red.